If you want to change the wallpaper on a Samsung Galaxy Watch 9, what you can do is you can press and hold your finger on the watch face in order to see the list of all available watch faces that you have on your Galaxy Watch 9. And most likely, if you just started using your watch, then there is a possibility that you don't have much watch faces to choose from. So maybe you might want to edit on phone. So you can tap on here to open the watch faces list in the wearable app on your smartphone. And here we have, of course, this list. You can also use this plus button to find more watch faces. Over here we have all of these different watch faces that we can use. So let's say we can try to use this one over here. I like this one, so I'm just going to apply it. You can also tap on this pen icon as well in order to customize it, I believe, or in here. So we should be able to change the clock font. Let's say I'm going to switch to maybe this one over here. We can change the background, so we can have a static background or a dynamic. We can change colors as well. It's up to you how you want it to look like. And of course, tap on save to save your changes. As you can see, the watch face is immediately selected. And there we go. This is how it looks like. You can easily choose pretty much any watch face from this app. Leave a like and subscribe.